Hello my cookies, today we are going to be making this extremely delicious marinated skirt steak with chimichurri sauce. Let's cook. Here I have about 2 pounds of skirt steak, and what I'm going to do is take a paring knife and make some little nicks in the surface of the meat. This will help it absorb the marinade better. I'm careful not to cut all the way through, but just make some little shallow slits. Here is my spice blend. Don't worry, I'll have a link in the description box with every ingredient and the measurements, and I'm just going to mix it all together. I have some oregano in there, some cumin, some onion garlic powder, a little red pepper flakes. Just click that link in the description box. Now we're making a wet rub, so I'm going to pour in some balsamic vinegar and a splash of Worcestershire sauce. I think I did it. Now mix it all together well. Now drizzle olive oil on both sides and rub it in. Now evenly coat the steak on both sides with the marinade and rub it in. And to marinate the steak, we're going to use this vacuum sealer that our friends at Cosori sent over for us to review. This is the Cosori automatic one-touch vacuum sealer. It is a food saver. Cosori claims that their airtight vacuum packaging sealer allows food to stay fresh up to 7 times longer than conventional storage methods. It comes with 5 vacuum bags and an additional vacuum roll. And it also comes with this hose port that you can hook up to a canister, and it allows you to marinate meats in minutes. This vacuum sealer is an awesome little kitchen gadget with all different types of uses, which I love about Cosori's products. And it ain't no fun if the homies can't get none. So Cosori agreed to give one of my cookies their very own vacuum sealer. So check out the giveaway rules and how to enter in the description box. I'm going to show you how to use the vacuum sealer, but first I sliced the steak in 3 portions to make it easier to handle. Then I placed the steaks into one of the vacuum sealer bags, and I made sure to leave 2 inches of space for sealing at the top. Now open the sealer, place the top of the bag in and close it. Gently press down the sides until you hear the click. Now click on the food button until it changes to moist, and then click vacuum seal. And look how fast it locks in that marinade and sucks all the air out. Kind of cool, right? Be careful removing it from the sealer because it's kind of hot along the seams. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge and marinate it for an hour. If you're not using a sealer, just place it in a Ziploc bag and you can marinate for at least 1 hour or up to overnight. After marinating, I cut the bag and released the steaks onto a plate and allowed them to come to room temperature. Here I'm just seasoning them on both sides with salt and pepper. At the stove on high heat, I'm just heating my 2-burner cast iron griddle, and now I'm going to brush it with some olive oil. Once it starts to smoke like this, you know it's time to add on your steak. Now, you don't need this grill that I'm using. You can use a cast iron pan as well. And these skirt steaks are not meant to be cooked well done. So if you don't like pink in your meat, these are not the steaks for you. If you overcook them, they will turn into rubber gloves. So we only cook 1 minute per side. When they're done cooking, take them off the grill and allow them to rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Oh, and skirt steak loves to be booed up with chimichurri sauce. So while it was marinating, I whipped this up really quick. It's so easy, and I'll link the recipe in the description. And be sure to slice against the grain. And cookies, look how delicious and juicy this skirt steak is. It was so flavorful. Go ahead and top it with some of that good old chimichurri sauce. And cookies, that is it for this recipe. Be sure to check out that description box to enter the giveaway. Special thanks to Cosori. And also all of the recipe links will be down there as well. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, I gotta eat. Be blessed.